It didn't hurt him, it just got his attention.
Yes, it did.
I'm tired of playing this game, Wyatt. I've got to get this hook done.
The tingles are fun. Jump. Okay. I said run.
Crinkles are on the camera.
Crinkles, watch out, Brittany.
This is an ancient rock made from when the dinosaurs were born. It has a deep hole. It has a pointy edge. Here is a mysterious fly. Flew away. There it was. Messenger. Look how it leaves a mess on my hand. Of all of the ancient. You never knew there was an ancient one. This ancient bird. Here comes the ancient ghost cage. Say cheese. Extra cheese. I said, say extra cheese. The ancient tree. The ancient road. The ancient is now entering the dark lab. Oh, Bonnie, easy. Hello, Bonnie. Oh. Through the different, there is birds and wide open area, and the wild horse. Through trees and ground, dirt and mud, they carry on where they want to go. Come on, Grace. It's the pasture. The snakes are rattlesnakes. The bunnies. The birds. The blue sky and the puffy cloud. Snow white puffballs. Voices and trees. There is no difference in between. snow and clouds, trees and grass. They have no difference, and they can't help it.